The assembly day for a lot of children, it's the first time they've ever seen live music played in front of them. And that's one of the really special things about the experience is I think every musician remembers their first experience with music. Everyone remembers that moment when they were just absolutely enthralled and fascinated by what they were hearing. And at the assemblies, you get to see several hundred people have that moment all at the same time, and the energy and excitement generated from that is genuinely incredible.
In the sessions, it's that chance to finally play on the instruments. After seeing all of the assemblies, seeing all of the build-up, now is the chance for them to actually play. And yeah, the excitement that is on their faces when they walk in the room is immeasurable, you know.
Rocksteady is about looking at individual children, getting them to work together as a team, growing their confidence, their whole self-esteem, and putting them in front of their peers in a safe environment so that they can achieve fantastic things as an individual and as a team.
We know that Rocksteady music lessons teach the children how to play the instruments successfully. We know that it improves teamwork and listening skills. We know that it builds their confidence, gives them that ability to say, I can do something. And that's really the thing that makes the difference to the whole of the rest of their lives, both at school and at home.